Most cruise passengers think their cabin steward is there for one thing: make the bed, replace the towels, straighten the room. And that's exactly why many people miss one of the most useful parts of their entire cruise. Because the person quietly walking in and out of your cabin each day often knows more about your comfort on board than the people standing behind guest services. And by the time many passengers realize that the cruise is almost over, after enough cruises, you start noticing something. The passengers who seem more comfortable, more relaxed, and somehow better taken care of, usually are not staying in better cabins. They simply understand who to talk to. Because while most people treat the cabin steward like housekeeping, experienced travelers understand they can become one of the most valuable people on the ship. And most passengers never figure that out. The first few minutes matter. When your steward introduces themselves, most passengers smile and move on. Experienced cruisers ask one simple question: is there anything about this cabin most guests never ask about? That one question can quietly reveal things like extra bedding, better pillows, mattress toppers, fans, service timing, or small comforts not mentioned anywhere in the brochure. And sometimes, that one question changes the entire week. If you enjoy learning the cruise details most passengers only discover after it's too late, subscribe to PortToPortLife and press the bell icon. Because here, we talk about the things that can quietly make the difference between an average cruise and a much better one. One uncomfortable night at sea can ruin the next day. And after a certain age, sleep matters more than most cruise lines seem to understand. The mattress may feel wrong. The pillows may feel useless. And those beds pushed together can leave a hard seam right down the center. Most people tolerate it. Experienced travelers don't. They simply ask, can this bed be made more comfortable? And many times that can lead to a mattress topper, firmer pillows, separate blankets, or a better setup entirely. And for some travelers, that single conversation changes the cruise. But comfort is only part of it. What many passengers never realize is this: cabin stewards often understand the ship better than the schedule does. They know which decks stay quiet, which hallways become noisy, when laundry specials appear, which mornings feel crowded, and which small problems usually become bigger later, because they watch the same patterns every single sailing. And that kind of knowledge is difficult to replace. I once watched a couple spend 3 nights blaming the ship for poor sleep. Every evening they heard noise above them. Doors, movement, dragging furniture. They assumed nothing could be done. On the 4th morning, they finally mentioned it to their steward. Within hours the room setup changed. A fan appeared. The cleaning schedule shifted. And that night they slept better than they had all week. The husband said something I hear often: "I wish we had asked sooner." That happens more than people think. Here's what separates experienced cruisers from everyone else. They understand one simple rule. Your steward notices how you treat people. Passengers who act entitled often receive basic service. Passengers who speak respectfully, learn their steward's name, and show appreciation early, usually receive a very different level of attention. Not because rules change, because human nature never does. So before your next cruise, don't just see your cabin steward as the person who folds the towels. Sometimes, they are the one person on board who can quietly make your trip better. And most passengers never realize it until they've already gone home. Have you ever had a cabin steward do something that surprised you? Leave it in the comments. And before your next sailing, watch the next video on your screen now. Because the mistake many passengers make before boarding can affect the entire cruise.